We begin with updates coming in from West Bengal, where remember there's an all-important meeting with the Election Commission taking place with all political parties to actually develop a consensus on the issue of whether there can be a single phase polling going forward and clubbing of all the remaining 4 phases into one phase. That is the question under consideration as the cases spike in the state. The state chief electoral officer has called this meeting to discuss the enforcement of COVID protocols in the state. Remember, the Calcutta High Court had instructed the Bengal poll officials to strictly enforce the COVID norms. Interestingly, after holding a massive rally yesterday, Mamata Banerjee comes out and says that there is a need to club the remaining phases, something that the BJP, of course, has objected to. At the moment, what we are also getting to know is that the Bengal BJP chief Dilip Ghosh says Mamata Banerjee has appealed for single-phase polling only because she fears losing those phases.
That's right. What the BJP, we've been speaking to Bengal BJP members over here who are essentially saying that the Election Commission has in a way already opined that there will be no change in terms of the phases in which the elections being held in Bengal. BJP citing that there could be logistical issues. There are also security concerns. In fact, security concerns being cited as one of the reasons why there are 8-phase polling in Bengal. But what Trinamool has in fact been saying is, and it's the Bengal government who's of course had to deal with the situation on ground here, the fact that COVID cases are surging by the day. It's over 6,000, nearing the 7,000 per day cases mark. And as we have already reported that there is an impending bed crisis, there is an impending remdesivir, the drug which is used to treat COVID patients. There's a shortage of that, as well as vaccines here in Kolkata and several parts of Bengal. For that reason, whether it would be wise to actually carry out the remaining 4 phases of elections as had been originally decided by the Election Commission. That is going to be one of the things that will be discussed in the meeting this afternoon. The Election Commission has, of course, also got the High Court, Calcutta High Court observations in which they had in fact been pulled up for not being able to follow strict guidelines which had been put in place for campaigning, especially for the elections. But we have seen everywhere that have gone, it's been openly flouted, not just by the people, even if we leave the people aside, the leaders on the podium, the leaders on the dais, they themselves have been flouting the COVID protocols. So whether a stronger message needs to be sent out, that is something that the Election Commission will be looking at when the representatives of all parties come for that meeting.
Well, speaking exclusively to Mirror now, TMC MP Derek O'Brien has suggested that the remaining 4 phases must be clubbed into one and BJP must give up on its ego over the issue. Let's listen in.
Concerns being raised about the COVID situation not only across the country but here in West Bengal. Elections are on, 4 more phases to go. Tomorrow there's polling. At a time like this when the EC has called for an all-party meeting here in Kolkata, what is the Trinamool Congress's primary demand now?
The Trinamool Congress, firstly from March 2020 last year, we have been advising the government on the COVID prep. March 2020 in Parliament. Not only us but other parties as well. Now, when the 8-phase election was declared, we made it very clear that we were uncomfortable with 8-phase elections for 2 reasons. One is we didn't think it needed 8 phases, and 2 is because the pandemic was still not a done deal. Now, the mistake has been made already by the Election Commission. In their wisdom, they didn't listen to us. But now it's still not too late. We are saying club the 4 phases together. You can't prepone. So you can have it all along with phase 8. We really want this done. We want the Election Commission, no egos here. And I really want to appeal to the BJP. Forget the egos. Come clean on this and say you want a 1 phase. Please save lives.
Well, so Tanima actually spoke to leaders from both sides of the political spectrum. She also spoke to the Vice President of the Bengal BJP unit, Joy Majumdar, who says that it will be practically, logistically difficult to club the next phases. He also says that he would urge everyone instead to maintain the COVID protocol even during campaigns, and therefore suggests that clubbing together of the remaining phases at this stage would be impossible.
ahead of the Election Commission's meeting today in the afternoon, especially on COVID protocols being followed or not by political parties in the state. I'm joined by Bengal BJP's Joy Mazumdar over here. Mr. Mazumdar, what we are seeing is that there are concerns being raised about COVID protocols not being followed in campaigning. And, after the Calcutta High Court's observations, now the Election Commission has called a meeting. Do you feel a lot needs to be done by parties in order to fill that gap?
No, I mean, all the stakeholders in this election should follow COVID protocol and keep in their mind that it is also a challenge, huge challenge. We are concerned about that. And from BJP's point of view, we believe all the protocols should be maintained. All the political parties should keep in their mind that it's our duty to inform the people. The problem is that people are so ecstatic, especially for BJP. Whenever there is a rally or there is a road show, huge number of common people, they are coming out of their houses to join that. It's a wave of parivartan.
But sir, even the leaders need to, show by example, like wearing masks, etc. Like for you or anyone else for that matter who's addressing road shows or going out for campaigning or interacting, isn't wearing mask like a simple thing that should be done?
Now, most of our leaders are wearing masks. At the time of, speeches, obviously, the mask cannot be used, but by large we are informing people to keep social distancing and the mask uses of masks. The most important that now the four phases has been over, 4 phases of election due, and we believe that we should, as BJP we can say that we will continuously inform and intimate people that COVID is also there. As election is there, side by side COVID is also there. So let us fight it together.